hottest day in the UK. We have 38 degrees where me and GB Henry lives. And I've got a surprise in this. GB doesn't know. He's just come back from school. I just told him to get changed. He's gone to his room. He's going to get changed and come downstairs. He doesn't know what's underneath this fabric. So let's wait for him to come downstairs and surprise him. Let's go. He's coming from the stairs, guys. Get ready. GB, are you here?
Yeah.
Come on then, close your eyes. GB say, guys. GB say, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Why are you not wearing clothes?
It's hot.
Okay, it's hot. Okay, fine. Go the other side. Close your eyes. No cheating, okay? No cheating, GB. No cheating. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. No, on the floor. No cheating. I'm looking at you. On the floor, on the floor. Now close your eyes. Guys, are you ready? Drum rolls. Surprise! Open your eyes. Now, come on. Let's see what's inside. Georgie is back. Guys, we have Georgie in the house. What do you think, GB? How was your surprise? You like it? Yeah? GB decided to wear his top now. I told him he has to wear a top. Okay, come on. Let's test this. Let's see.
It might be broken. Where did you buy it from?
Remember, you had the old Georgie. I took it out from your Henry Heaven.
Okay, but I remember it's broken.
No, it's not broken. We can test it. We can give it a go.
But don't touch it.
We can test it.
Can you just move it back?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'm scared now.
So we plug the hoover. Let's see. What? Is that wrong, Georgie? I go from outside.
Yeah, this was broken.
What happened to it? Why is it making this sound? Tell me.
It's completely broken.
It's not broken. It's the water one. Water pump one, remember?
No.
Where's the other tools for this?
It's already been like this. Look.
Okay, let's see. Why is it doing this?
Oh, no.
Okay, why is it doing like this? Oh, so this is for that. Remember?
No.
It came with a... No, you're tricking me. Hello? Look at mommy. Oh, so guys, he was tricking mommy, yes?
This is the pump. This is pump.
So this is the pump?
This is the pump.
Yeah.
This is the suction.
Ooh. What's happening?
Come here, guys.
Hmm?
You know what? You can press both of the switches.
Is it? Wait, what's happening, guys? Okay, so with this, can we clean the carpets then?
Oh, yeah.
And can we wash the...
No, wait. Because I forgot all the tools in the back.
Okay, then the Henry Heaven.
No, they're there. I forgot.
Okay, so GB's gone to get the tools. And this is the Georgie. I wanted to surprise GB. He hasn't eaten anything since he's back from school. I just wanted to see what was his reaction after seeing Georgie after ages and ages. Look, he's got stickers there too.
Why did you even clean it, by the way?
Because I wanted to surprise you, darling. Did you like the surprise?
No.
Yeah? It's too loud.
Look, it's still that suction.
Okay, turn that off. It's scaring me.
Yeah, it used to scare me, but it didn't scare me.
No, this is scaring me, to be honest with you.
Why is it not working?
Okay, what's this? What is this? What is this, GB? This? Don't scare me, mate. What is this, guys? What is
Let's
this?
turn it on without the motor. This one I'm confident. Sound normal. But when sounds very loud like that. Hey, Let me teach you. Oh, we can't do it today.
Why?
Daddy needs to put this onto it. 'Cause
Oh, rubber. You can try it. You can give it a go.
Okay. But this is...
That is filthy filter.
How are we going to put it in?
Look at that. There's a hair there, guys. Your Georgie has a mustache. GB, your Georgie has a mustache. Yeah! Go put it in the bin. Go put it in the bin. Okay, he just threw it on the floor. That is disgusting, GB. Okay, come on. Can we fix this?
We have to take the filter, but I can't.
Which filter?
This.
Okay, put that over there, outside, on the floor. Yes.
Let me take one of the dirt.
No, it's gonna come inside. Don't. Just put it on the floor. Just put it on the floor. Thank you, GB. Now come inside, darling.
Can I empty that out? Because then you just go into the vacuum and suck it and then get broken.
Okay, now guys, we're gonna fix this. Yes. Is that a hat?
No.
What is this then?
It's for the cover.
Cover for what?
For the Hoover. This George is actually very bad.
Bad? Why?
His pump is broken. He has a motor.
George is so cute. Look at his face. Is it a boy or girl?
He is a boy.
He's the daddy of Henry, isn't it?
Yeah, because he's very big.
He's big, massive, giant. So which one do you prefer? The red one or the green one? Green one? Why?
Suck up water.
Sorry?
Sucks up water and it sucks up dirt.
That as well. So 2 in 1.
There's a new Henry, by the way. It's called Henry Allergy.
Is it?
It sucks allergies and dust.
Ooh, we need to buy that. Should we? No? You don't want to suck up the allergies?
We don't have allergies.
We don't have allergies? Najibi's fixing this, guys. Look at this.
So far, I put a little bit in. Yeah.
So the rubber is gone inside.
So
because of this rubber, I think the water won't leak out, right?
it will leak.
It will? Oh my god.
If without it, it'll leak and damage the
Who
Hoover.
took this off anyway? This part was not with me when I took this Hoover. Who was it with?
Because it should be like that. No, it wasn't with this. It was there.
Was it?
Yeah, I put
Or
it there.
did somebody took it out from the box?
Yeah, I needed to use it.
For what?
You took the other big one.
Okay, so what is this? So when we wash it in this vacuum, so all the dirt goes inside this or outside?
Into that. Okay, I done it.
Wow. Yay! Clap for GB!
I did not gonna do it.
Okay, come on then. Now fix it. Show us how to put
Wait,
this
I
on.
never took this bit. Can we take it out?
You can, but I don't know if you can fix it or not.
I don't.
Is it clip in?
Yeah.
What if we break it, GB?
You can also, I don't even use the wet and dry.
We can wash. Can we wash sofas with this?
Yeah, but it's missing all of the tools.
Oh, this is like a basket.
Oh,
Huh?
The wall.
What? Oh my god. Ball? Henry plays with the ball?
No.
Why is this ball?
So when it gets full, and then no one doesn't know it's full, this goes up. Let me teach you. Let me get them out. I'll instruction you. So first, look. Imagine this is on here.
Yeah.
Part goes into here.
Yes.
Then this goes on there.
Okay.
it's
There's the
full.
ball, guys.
No, go in.
Oh.
That tells you it's full.
Okay. So what do you want to do? How we do? Well, like it's a bit confusing for me. Too many parts. Now you're gonna attach that in there.
Now we're gonna explore it. This is called a ghastly, whatever it is. It looks
So
like
guys-
a fry, it looks like
Chips fryer.
yeah, and then
A chips basket. Fries basket.
So what would you like to order, sir?
I would like to order some Georgie fries, please. Yummy, yummy fries. Ew, I don't want the dirty fries. No, no, no. Oh no, I don't want this. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, now fix it. Come on. Enough of Georgie fries, yeah?
Just put this in.
So guys, GB is in love with the Georgie now. He's done with the red one. But how about your Henry cordless?
Oh, it's upside down.
So you don't want it anymore?
I still use
Should I
it.
send it back?
No, I'll still use it.
You like it? So you were tricking me? You know I'm planning to get Hattie for myself.
Had you cordless? Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah. I'm planning to. Guys, comment down below if you think
If you
Hattie's
saw a cheap one.
Hattie's good and section is better than Henry.
No, they're both the same.
Is it?
But the high-low switch ones
Mm-hmm.
are not the same. No, both of the high-low switches, if you buy two,
Yeah.
they might be the same.
So this is done? Oh, you forgot the ball here.
Can we keep this ball?
So GB's gonna
It
clip
takes a
this.
lot of time
Yeah.
to assemble this sometimes.
Uh-oh.
Is everything this one's
It's done? It's done?
yeah.
Okay, now come on, clip it.
We'll try it out.
Okay, GB's gonna try this
But
out, guys.
it's bad without dust. It says if you put dust, the motor can get sucked and
Okay, how about the thingy, what's it called? The filter.
can
Do we
get
have to put the
damaged.
filter in there?
No!
No?
You want the filter to get wet and then you want to get...
So guys, GB decided to take the dirt out. Don't do it in front of the patio. Put the shoes on at least, please. Thank you. Oh, he's disappeared. And we left him. And GB Henry's back again. Sorry, GB Georgie's back again.
GB and Georgie.
GB and Georgie is back. And now GB's fixing this. So guys, at the moment, today, just for today, Georgie is GB's favorite.
I used them before on water. Just for the outside when we have leaks. Oh, forgot to put them. Let's test it with it. And the hose, I had to tape both the holes in because it came off. This one had been, I had to do surgery in this. No, actually I had to do surgery on this one.
Is it? Surgery? So you're a Georgie doctor too?
Right.
So guys, this is the surgery GB's been talking about. GB gave the stitches to her Georgie. So GB's done the surgery.
So guys,
Why did you did the surgery?
you know why? No, mommy, little kid. Guys, Hoover farted.
You over farted?
Yeah.
What? That's why you did the surgery.
joking.
Oh my god. I thought so. So guys, GB was joking that his Georgie was farting. So why did you do the surgery?
Cause,
Yeah.
let me tell you. So then I cut it open.
Yeah.
And then there was another hose in it. It was a whole entire hose inside of it.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Yeah.
It was so brand new. And it had this in it. I was confused. I had to pull the whole thing out.
So you broke it then? Is it into pieces, this one?
No, but it's still... And then I was doing this when I did like I fell down.
You fell down or the Georgie fell down?
And then the Georgie went like, hey, you stop. And then he was like, hey, you stop. I'm going to pump you up. So guys,
Yes.
you know this hose here, you can even take this off.
I think you can take all the handy stuff off.
Sometimes you can't open the motor. You can take the switch out, you can screw the handle off. You guys can screw the motor off. You can screw every motor.
Okay.
You can even screw you.
You want to screw me too?
Okay, let's screw this back in.
Okay. So GB screwing. And are you happy with your surprise?
No.
Huh? You're not happy?
Because I had this already.
Yeah, I know, but I just took it out. I took it out for you, my baby. Yeah.
And who cleaned it?
Daddy did for you.
I thought you did it.
Daddy did. What
Filter,
happened?
guys. Wire, guys.
Filter?
And wire.
Wire, yes. GB got the filter.
Just even bang it someday. Because I don't like it when it's blow. Sometimes it actually blows at this, which I'm mad. This.
Ow. Why are we putting that there?
And then you have to put this in for now. And you've got some problem again.
What's the
It's gonna
problem?
be quick. But sometimes you always have to do this when you want to put the filter on.
Oh, so you have to do this to tidy this wire up.
It's not a wire, it's a pipe. No pipe. I know more than you.
Oh, it's coming out.
We're done.
Okay, GB engineer has done this. Now what do you want to do?
Just pop it up, but it's fine. You can keep it going.
Okay, careful. It's quite heavy, this one, you know.
Hold it.
It is heavy, it is heavy.
Put this back.
Now GB's tied that up, the wire at the back. Dr. GB. GB, I'm going to start calling you Dr. GB Henry.
Why?
Because you do the surgeries on the Henrys now.
Okay. Just look at the back.
Nice.
messy,
Yeah, it looks good.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Nice and clean. I love this.
What I always do, I have to close this, do this, then do that.
That's it.
And final part is sometimes
It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Okay, that's it.
Mommy and Daddy, I love this surprise so much.
It's okay, my baby. For watching, like, share and subscribe, and our another channel which is GB Family. Yes, and Georgie's going. Don't leave me, Georgie. Like, share and subscribe, guys. GB Family and GB Henry.